Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a call from your Gmail application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, first step is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app, and then from here at the bottom of the page you will see a video icon. Go ahead and click onto that. Make sure you sign into the correct account as well. Then from here we can go ahead and create a new meeting or join a meeting. So if you want to be the host of that meeting phone call, go ahead and hit new meeting. Now below that, I'll say get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. So go ahead and click on start an instant meeting. Now before we start, we need to turn on notifications. So turn on Gmail ongoing calls and incoming call notifications to receive call and quickly get back to an outgoing call. So go ahead and go to settings, go ahead and allow that, and then go back to there and hit new meeting, start an instant meeting, and then it will say allow Gmail to take photos while using this time, and then go ahead and send that link to the other user so then they can join your meeting video call.